Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Cracking your knuckles won't cause arthritis. That popping sound is just gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid. Research shows no connection between knuckle cracking and joint damage. However, excessive cracking might cause temporary swelling or weaker grip. If cracking ever causes pain, it's a good idea to consult a doctor.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.